Hi, quick disclaimer before I get into the video of me feeding my child. I filmed this video a good few weeks ago now. Ellis is now 8 months old and this video was filmed when he was 6 to 7 months old. Has been a bit of a break in between simply because we've been on lockdown. It's been harder to find food, so I didn't want to put out a video saying this is what my child eats while people can't get food, basically. Another note to add is that when I was editing it, I realised that a lot of Ellis's afternoon snacks or dinners are pouches or purees, something not very filling. Just as a quick note is that Ellis didn't eat that much in the evening. His main meal was lunchtime and breakfast, and that was it. So if you think I'm underfeeding my child, you are wrong. I will be doing another video, I think, in a few weeks' time about what he's currently eating now at 8 months old, because he's eating a lot more, and he's eating us out of house and home. I'm having to be a lot more creative now. He's eating proper solid meals. I think that's everything. So without further ado, this is the video. Some frozen mango. So breakfast is some pancakes, which is a banana pancake I made yesterday, and then some yogurt with some prunes, some pureed prunes, some blueberries, and a bit of chia seeds. Okay, for lunch we have, this is some pink beetroot risotto and some carrot sticks. And for dinner we have some avocado puree, with some chia seeds on top. I actually made loads of purees before I realised there's going to be more finger food, so just trying to get rid of it. So there's avocado puree with actual avocado and a pancake left over from earlier. He hasn't been eating much today, so I don't think he's going to eat much of this, but we shall see. Then we're going to be able to manoeuvre it. It's a bit slippery. Oh. Looks like a success. Tasty. You've eaten all of it. Can't believe it. There you go. Morning mango. So for breakfast this morning, Ellis is going to have some porridge with some pureed apple stirred in, and then some cinnamon and some pureed prunes as well. First time trying cinnamon. What do we think? We're a fan. So for lunch today, Ellis is going to have some vegan vegetable chilli. Can't really get a good image of it. Vegan chilli and some carrot sticks. Obviously I blitzed this a little bit because the real version is very chunky. Right, first time trying chilli. Obviously there's no actual chilli in it. It's just vegetables. It's a lot of flavours to understand, isn't it? Take it!
Take it!
So for breakfast we've got coconut milk porridge with some fruit, some prunes and some chia seeds on the top. Yum. Cauliflower fingers for lunch. First time I ever had cauliflower, so we'll see how that goes. Backwards, obviously. And I also have some curry for him, which I made yesterday. Let's get that ready for you in the space of about 30 seconds. It's on the floor. And this we have here some sweet potato, cauliflower and chickpea curry, obviously mashed up a bit so Mr. Man can eat it. There's the cauliflower there that he is not fussed about. Mmm. Delicious. Someone's just woken up from a late nap because he didn't nap properly this afternoon. And he's desperate for the orange. Yes. I'm taking a lot of the skin off it, so it's just the insides, just so a bit easier. I'm not going to give him much of the orange, it's just because he likes orange a lot. Just going to give him a couple of segments because I know it's not the best for rashes. It can cause bum rash, I think. We've got this as well. I forgot to defrost my own puree in the freezer. So we're going to have a pouch and some more crisps. Just as an afternoon snack because we had a big lunch, didn't we? Kiwi, how are we going to deal with that? Bit different to mango. Happy. So breakfast this morning is crumpets with tahini on. Tahini is an allergen, so we're just having that now to make sure he's not allergic to sesame. And then we also have some porridge, the same as yesterday, which is porridge oats with fruits, and then we have some chia seeds and some prunes in there as well, some pureed prunes. Okay, lunch today. We have some sweet corn fritters here, which I made. I didn't fry them. I baked them. I hope they're going to taste nice. I'm not sure. First time he's had these. And this is penne pasta with like a garlicky sauce that I made a couple of days ago. Penne pasta is not the best for baby-led weaning, I've realised. So going forward, I'll be using fusilli pasta. Corn fritter, what do we think? I'm not looking forward to those nappies. I was out earlier, so I didn't film it, but as we were out with friends, Ellis had an Ella's Kitchen pouch for an afternoon snack. Our usual mango. For breakfast this morning we have some blueberry muffins, which I made a couple of days ago. I warmed them up in the microwave a little bit to make them a bit softer. And then we have a crumpet with tahini on it. I've chopped up the muffins to make them more baby friendly. Now let's go see. Straight in with the crumpet. It was a success, he ate it all. So for dinner we are going to have some pasta with some vegetable sauce which I made and some nutritional yeast on top. I'm obviously not going to give him the whole bowl because he'll just shove it all in. We didn't have lunch today, he didn't seem too fussed, we were at baby sensory. We did quite well. Just a bit of mess on the floor. But you liked that pasta, didn't you? That had lots of vegetables in there that you didn't know about. Yeah. Because the pasta was such a success, I haven't got any left. So I'm giving him some crumpets. So I'm giving him a crumpet with chia seed jam on, which is jam that I made myself. It's just basically frozen strawberries melted down and then mixed in with some chia seeds. And he's a fan, as you can tell.